My algorithm can rest now because I'm finally trying Kaleidos makeup. I'm just kidding. I do want to see their brand on my page because it's just so beautiful and innovative. Look at this highlighter. Are you seeing this? It's literally blinding. And I'm not even exaggerating. It's somehow even prettier in real life. Now let's talk about this blue eyeliner. It literally glides on so effortlessly. No tugging, no skipping, just one swipe and the color is there. And let's finish with the gloss. This is juicy, not sticky, super comfortable, and it gives that perfect glass-like shine. Okay, I get the hype now, and I can't wait to try all of your products.